So we're really excited about being at AGHA. We've had some amazing leads come through, so quality buyers.
Here at the Kitchen Zone, I'm using local exhibitors' produce to showcase just how unique and creative they can be, and especially with my recipes, and combine them together, we create something special.
For us, we've found the quality of customers to be great. They're placing large volumes. We've had almost the same amount of sales that we did in last year's gift fair and today alone.
We're all handcrafted on the ballerine down in Geelong. It's great to get into events like this and to expand our brand exposure across New South Wales.
If you are a buyer, you've got to come and see the product, because you'll walk past something and go, wow, I never thought about this. Let me try it.
For us, it was a really great place to display and to meet new hamper companies and people who could actually make a difference to our small family business.
Oh, the orders are amazing. Actually, cause surprise because people actually pay you up front, and so they are here to wanting to buy.
There's just so much opportunity and growth for your business, and we've only been here for a few hours and I've already made lots of new contacts, so I just encourage everyone to pop on down if you want to grow your business.